On behalf of the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences at Victoria University, it is my distinct honor to welcome you to the 5th edition of our Honorary Public Lecture series.
We are truly grateful that you have accepted the invitation to deliver today's public lecture on the theme, Venezuela and Africa, Shared Values, Culture and Cooperation for the Future.
It is an honor for me, as an ambassador of the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela to the Republic of Uganda, to address you today about my beloved country, Venezuela, and on a subject that is very close to my heart, that is the history of my nation and the profound bonds between Venezuela and Africa and the vision we share for the future. Even when we are separated by geography, Venezuela and Africa are joined by history, culture, shared struggles, and common values. This presentation will highlight those connections, the change of paradigm in Venezuela since the arrival of the Bolivarian Revolution in 1999, and also the challenges we face as we defend sovereignty and dignity in an unjust international system.
Thank you. All right, let's now have the pleasantries from Venezuela.